Amateur athanda hip hop so la sibaneni ba. So jayive lesibani. Yeah man. Abanye bathi Chen athanda hip hop, abanye bathi good deal group remix whatever way you call it. It's one of those man. Yeah man, I want to jive because enough space. Ningathi was enough space, otherwise yo ngendibulala. But anyway, if we turn the time to hip hop, look, so then hey, uthanda hip hop, so let me be your man, girl. Uthanda hip hop, so let me be your man, girl. Kakupuhlise man, your chances to be mine. I know umzimba wakho ubalulekile. Like getting a cocaine that be straight cause I'm a ruler. So baby pull xa lo mjite zama ukuqhula. Bathi uhlamba ngobisi. So she ama ruler nzene storm segwarana ngokukhona ozane embulu. I'll make it rain on you girl, leave you wet. Dilly Tony on the mission, Mr. P, Roger that. You naked mind that, I mean, never mind that. But if you feel ngamatyala lady, we pay your debt. Oops, never zama ukuthi let me pay your debt, sweetie, but not really. And basalegi ndingeka sigi lines amazizi. Cela uncedo xa mini ngakuselatini uzenza ukhule udlamini. Cause I know apukhoyo ziyakhipha. If yabasaleka ngalona I might keep it. Girl, I hope you get me like GET. Cause you know I got you like GOT. Ta-ta-ta-ta combination, señorita, listen yo. Nikungamla these bars, njengophenya nodineo. But trust me, never did practice no baganjani. So pata njengeqanda, then scramble you for money. We chill the time to hip hop, let me be your man. I go. The tip we chill the time to hip hop, let me be your man, girl. I go. So if we chill the time to hip hop, let me be your man. I go. And so you chill the time to hip hop, let me be your man, girl. One more time, Tom. Uthanda hip hop, so let me be your man, girl. Uthanda hip hop, so let me be your man, girl. Kakupuhlise man, your chances to be mine. I know umzimba wakho ubalulekile. Now the will be out there kubi khapha ke ngoku. He doesn't make you happy how khaphaza ngenduku. Me I'll make you happy cause sidlala ndize busuku uthi ngikhangela ke nunu ngivela ngaphansi kwenduku. Amejeke yazi udinga TLC. Awunongakhali xa bedlala njengo VNC. You've been around but you've never been with this MC. Dintsongo blind but you're on stage it's you I see. Hey, basale endlini bathi ya lo mntana onesmith. Majite kasi athi damn lo mntana onesmith. And now you see why ngibaseleka so, cause I've never saw chere njengawe before. So call me a gold digger cause I know you mine. The irony is girl I'm really digging your style. Ndinukivumba lothando when I'm dating a cologne. If yahamba nalo mhlaba girl don't let me walk alone. Yayazi uthanda hip hop ingathi siqalekiso. So baby ndivumele ngithethi nyani just like before. Yabona uthanda hip hop ayisisi siqalekiso. Cha wena vula mehlo ujonga umrepo nenyaniso. If you share the time hip hop, let me be your man. Kusele sakustima, you will never cry again. We turn the time to hip hop, let me be your man. Nazo idlale yami indima, you will never hate a man. How we turn the time to hip, let me be your man. But if we turn the time to hop, let me be your man. Suka.